Three trees, three fish in a tree, fish in a tree. How does that mean? Rat, cat, nut, cat, rat, nut, cat, and bat. Pat, pat, they call him Pat. Pat, pat, on the house. Pat, pat, on the pat, on the back. No, Pat, no. Don't sit on that.
You're a very good reader.
Bing, bing. What is that? Bing. Bing, bing. That thing can sing.
Such a personality when you read.
Walk, walk. We like to walk. Walk, talk. We like to talk. Talk, talk. We like to hop. We like to hop. We on top and stop. Stop. You must not hop on top. Miss Brown, Mr. Brown. Miss Brown, upside down.
Most kids watch cartoons. Jax reads books all day out loud.
Where's Brown? There is Brown. Miss Brown is out of town.
Books, books galore.
Back, back. Brown came back. Brown came back with Miss Brown. Jump out. He jumped, she bumped. Fast, fast. Went fast, fast.
Dr. Seuss books nonetheless.
With 10 cents.
Tongue twisters.
I sat him out.
Now, just for the record again, Jax, how old are you?
I'm 3.
And when was your birthday?
2013.
Well, you have a birthday in 2013, but what's the date for your birthday? What month?
6 months.
What?
Yeah.
6 months.
3 months.
October, November, December, January, February, March. Almost 6 months, yeah. You're a little smarty butt, aren't you?
5 months, October.
5 months ago was October, but in March it will be 6. You were right.